Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question from algebra which had appeared in Cambridge IGCSE 0580 paper 2 variant 2 from February-March 2025. Now this question is based on laws of indices or laws of exponents which I have explained in this video. So if you are unsure about the laws, you can go through this video first and come back to this question. I will also drop down its link in the description box below for your reference. So let us start with the first question now. Simplify x square over 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now this term inside the bracket can be written as the numerator x square stays the same, but 4 can be written as 2 square raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now here, since the power of numerator and denominator is same, we can take it as a common power over here. So x over 2 raised to the power of 2, and this is done by using the power distribution law of indices and then raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now once we have done this, we can multiply the powers by using the multiplication law of indices. So in the next step, we have multiplied the powers, that is x over 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3 over 2. Now 2 times 3 over 2, now here 2 can also be written as 2 over 1, and 2 can be divided from the denominator and from the numerator. So 2 divides itself, giving us x over 2 raised to the power of 1 times 3, which is 3. Now again, using the power distribution law of indices, we have distributed this power to the numerator and to the denominator separately. So here we get x cube over 2 to the power of 3. Now this can be further simplified as the numerator stays the same. So we have written x cube over here over 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, giving us 8. So this is the most simplified form of the given question. So this is going to be our answer. Now let us move on to the B question. 16 to the power of x times 1 over 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 4 raised to the power of x plus 3. Find the value of x. Now here, let us try to get the bases, that is 16 and 4, in terms of base 2. So 16 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 has to be multiplied by itself 4 times. So we have written in place of 16 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of x times. Now using the negative power law of indices, when we take this denominator to the numerator, so for example, if we have written 1 over 3 and we want to take this denominator 3 to the numerator, we can see that the power of 3 is 1 over here. So when I am taking 3 to the numerator, we are going to write 3. Now the sign of the power changes, so positive 1 becomes negative 1. So this is by using the negative power law of indices. So here 1 over 2 we have written as 2 to the power of negative 1 raised to the power of x is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square raised to the power of x plus 3. Now once we have got all the terms as base 2, let us use the power multiplication law of indices now. Now in the first term, the powers will get multiplied, giving us 2 raised to 4x times. Now minus 1 times x gives us minus x. So the second term becomes 2 raised to negative x is equal to 2 raised to, now 2 multiplies with x plus 3. Now in the next step, for the left hand side, we have applied the product law of indices. So here if the bases are same and there is multiplication between the bases, then the powers will get added up. So here we have written 2 raised to the power of 4x minus x is equal to, now here we have expanded the bracket, giving us 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6. Now one step further simplifying this, 4x minus x gives us 3x. So 2 raised to 3x is equal to, the right hand side stays the same. Now once the bases have become same on both the sides of the equal to sign, we can just cancel them off and equate the powers. So we have written 3x is equal to 2x plus 6. Now let us collect the like terms on one side of the equal to sign. So we are going to take 2x on the left hand side. So we get 3x. Now 2x goes on the other side and becomes negative 2x is equal to 6. Now 3x minus 2x is 1x, or just x is equal to 6. So here the value of x is 6. So this is our answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.